Hi there, this is Ginny with Learnwithginny.com. Make sure you get over to my website and on my newsletter so you don't miss out on any invitations to workshops and training and stuff like that. So Instagram changed. It updated, and it took me a little bit to figure out how to do a new post. I don't know. When stuff changes, you're used to doing things fast, right? So I want to share with you how to do that so that I can save you some time, I hope, if you use Instagram in your business or in your personal life. So I'm going to move me out of the way. I figured out how to share my phone on my computer screen. That's so cool. I'll have to show you how to do that. But anyway, there's my Instagram and my favorite person that I follow. So I'm going to hold my finger on this button. I don't know if I can show you on the screen, but here, I'll point at it with my mouse button. But there's a plus sign right up at the top where it says Instagram. See where I'm pointing? Right there. You click that, and that is where you can do a feed post, which is your normal post. I can hit there, and I can select a picture, like my beautiful burning bush. And everything else is the same. You hit next, you add your hashtags and your page and your Twitter or whatever else. Okay. Then if I hit that plus again, you can add to your story. Want to see something cool? This little green screen guy right here. If I'm there, right? And if I hit add media, I can add a background. So that I am at the sunset. And I can take a picture. Cool, hey? Anyway, so that was your story. And now the new thing is these reels. It's not really new. It's actually the short video clips. Same thing that it was before, only they're calling it reels now, which is interesting. So that's it. That's how you post on the new Instagram. And yes, you can still swipe left to add to your story. Right. Swipe right. Anyway, and at the bottom, what they changed is these two buttons right here and right here. So this is your reels. That's where you can, whoa, holy cow. Not a happy baby. Anyway, so that was the reels. And then there's a shopping button where you can hit people's Instagram shops, which is kind of cool. Everything else is the same. You have your notifications in your profile and stuff like that in your search. So very cool stuff. And very cool that I can share my screen now, because now I don't have to sew together videos when I put them on YouTube. So maybe I'll show you that next. I don't know. I'm running out of time. I spent too much time trying to figure something out. So make it a great day and get on my newsletter, okay? Learnwithginny.com. On my website, you just scroll to the middle and sign up. So there you go. I'm going to stop recording.